Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we explore the latest launches, upcoming machines, and the future of two-wheelers. Today's video dives into one of India's most iconic commuter sport motorcycles, now reborn with modern technology and a fresh attitude. This is the new 2026 Bajaj Pulsar 150, a bike that brings a powerful mix of reliability, performance, and updated styling. The 2026 Pulsar 150 arrives with a sharper, more muscular design inspired by the bigger Pulsar models. Its tank scoops, aggressive front fascia, and improved aerodynamics give it a sportier road presence. The seat layout is more ergonomic, providing better comfort for both rider and pillion. With new color schemes and refreshed graphics, Bajaj has made sure the Pulsar 150 continues to stand out as one of the most attractive bikes in its class. At the heart of the new 2026 model is an updated 150 cubic centimeters engine tuned for a smoother power delivery and improved refinement. The motorcycle promises better mid-range torque, making city riding effortless. Bajaj has optimized fuel efficiency, giving riders more kilometers per liter without sacrificing performance. The enhanced cooling system ensures the engine stays stable even during long, demanding rides. The 2026 Pulsar 150 introduces a semi-digital instrument cluster with improved readability and added information like fuel economy, distance to empty, and service reminders. Bajaj has also upgraded the lighting system, offering brighter LED headlamps and a stylish LED taillight. Other new features include a refined suspension setup, better braking performance with single-channel ABS, and a smoother clutch response for daily commuting. One of the strongest qualities of the Pulsar 150 has always been its balanced ride, and the 2026 version improves it further. The chassis has been tweaked for better stability, especially during cornering and highway cruising. The suspension offers a comfortable ride over rough patches, while the lightweight body ensures easy maneuvering in city traffic. Whether for daily rides or occasional long trips, the new Pulsar 150 aims to deliver a reliable and enjoyable riding experience. The 2026 Bajaj Pulsar 150 is expected to maintain a competitive price tag, making it a strong value proposition in the 150 cubic centimeters segment. With its updated design, efficient engine, and enhanced features, it stands ready to attract both loyal Pulsar fans and new buyers looking for a stylish and dependable motorcycle. With its blend of modern design, refined performance, and trusted Pulsar legacy, the new 2026 Bajaj Pulsar 150 is set to continue its dominance in the commuter sport category. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more updates, reviews, and upcoming launches. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.